Hi, today we are going to talk about how to do the thinking process when we do the bridge concept design. So this is one of the instructive paper where they ask us to design the road bridge, and so one criteria that the client has provided is to use the existing bridge foundations and the abutment. So what we can do is we can highlight those things on the images at all the four locations, two abutments and two bridge foundations. After that, we need to consider the other client requirements, uh, which we need to think about is when the bridge can be constructed. So from it has been mentioned that from Monday to Friday it can be constructed. It should be in use, and so the days we are left with is Saturday, Sundays. And but other thing is that there are 2 weeks in a year where you can use the entire week for the construction. So some of the options that we have in mind because of this short duration is having the steel bridges or prefabricated constructions such as FRP or other steel units, or maybe it can be the precast units, precast concrete. The other criteria that we have is using the what kind of bridge layout we're gonna have. So they ask us to keep the bridge layout same as previous, which is 7.3 meter wide carriageway and 2 footways on either side. So now we will calculate what is the width of footway. At present we have, so total width that we have for the bridge deck is 12 meters and 7.3 meter is the carriageway. So we are left with 2.35 meters on either side, keeping 250 mil on either side for the edge parapets. So we are left with 2.15 meter footways, so that we're going to use for the loading when you're going to design it. The other thing that it has been asked is what's the bearing pressure of foundation. So they have given the good bearing capacity of the rock, so we're going to use that is 1000 kilonewton per meter square. The last thing they have asked is to have the aesthetically pleasing bridge. So we're going to have the arch bridge, truss or cable stayed if it's possible. We need to keep 7.5 meter